Hello, I'm Johannes Larsson and I'm a mechanical engineer here at RGNT Motorcycles. And we have a new product that we want to present to you. It's an electric balance bike that we have worked on for a while, and we're also testing it a lot with our own kids, and they really love it. It comes in two different colors, black and red, and you can order them on our website. Let's do a quick unboxing of the product. So here is the red version of the bike, and very easy to assemble. Just snap it off. Yeah, so a complete bike, so the saddle, front wheel, and the steering. Super easy to assemble. Just connect the wires. Yeah, it also comes with a toolkit and the charger. So, and it's ready to go out and ride. Just plug in the charger. So, and the charger goes in here. So when charging is done, you just simply unplug it and you start it up here. And you can also connect it with Bluetooth, so you can listen to any song in the speaker if you want. Or just simply ride it as it is. It's very simple to use. Just jump on it and you have a throttle here and you have a brake here. My kids learned to ride the bike at 3 years age with this one. So super simple to ride.